Welcome back to Daily Wisdom Practice. If you've been with us for the first week, hit that like button to signal your progress. If you're new, subscribe to join a global community of cleaners. Today, we're moving beyond mental phrases into something you can actually taste and feel. We're talking about Blue Solar Water, a tool. So simple, it sounds like magic, but it's actually a way to charge your body with the frequency of peace. Think about how much of your body is made of water. Now, think about how water has a memory. If you fill your body with water that has been charged with light, you are literally overwriting old, dark memories. Most people drink water just to stay hydrated. But when you use a blue glass bottle and the sun, you are creating a solar elixir. The blue color filters out the noise and frequencies of the past, allowing only the purest light to enter the water. You aren't just drinking water, you're drinking a frequency that resets your subconscious to zero. To make this, you only need 3 things: a blue glass bottle, clean water, and the sun. First, fill a blue glass bottle with water and use a non-metallic cork or lid, and let it sit in direct sunlight for at least 15 to 60 minutes. As you take your first sip, don't just swallow it. Feel the blue light entering your cells and whisper, "I am sorry." Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You are now a living, breathing cleaning tool. You can use this water for everything: cooking, your plants, or even a spray for your home to clear the energy. Your challenge today: find a blue bottle and make your first batch. Comment "Solar Eyes" below once you've taken your first sip of peace. Share this video with someone who needs a mental refresh. I love you, I thank you, and I'll see you for day 9.